Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we will be making a beautiful cutting board sign. Obviously using lemons and we're gonna use this beautiful cutting board I found at the dollar store, some ribbon, water, this gray that we're gonna water down with that water over there for stain, black paint because we're gonna mix it with the gray, yellow and orange for our lemons, and green for our leaves. Also our brushes, and you know by now my beautiful well-loved brush. So let's get started. First we're gonna take our gray paint and we're gonna mix it with water, and then we're gonna start staining our beautiful wood cutting board and wiping off the excess with a paper towel. We're gonna do that a couple of times until we have achieved the look that we want. We want that wood grain, but we want it gray. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but I want a gray toned wood grain. And now we're gonna start painting our lemons like that. We're gonna paint those lemons on yellow, and after we paint them we're gonna add some orange without cleaning our brush. That's important because you want that yellow and orange to mix. And we're gonna keep on adding our lemons like that. And adding some more orange and mixing it. And now another lemon. Yes, I know. I have a couple of lemons there. You paint your 4 lemons, they are 4. So I'm gonna stop painting lemons right now. You finish them, and now we're gonna start adding our leaves and our stems. Just like that. And we're gonna use some of that yellow on our leaves so they look a little bit less deep. I don't know if you get me. I want to get some light on that leaf, so that's why you see I'm mixing my yellow and my lighter green with the leaves. That's the lighting effect I was talking to you about. And we continue adding some of that green, that's lime green. And now we're gonna start painting our welcome words using a smaller brush and our black paint. I have traced them on my cutting board because I wanted to measure the size so I get them where I wanted them. And as you can see, this is free-handed. And we continue painting that sign until we finish our letters. This is a bit difficult as the paint wanted to dry. She wanted to keep on drying on me. But I guess that's what paint do. So we continue painting our sign. And now we are at the end of it. We make our E, and that's our last E. And we're gonna make a bow for our top part. And I'm gonna use some jute twine to wrap it around and tie it. And I'm gonna glue it to my sign, and that will be it. And that's it. It's done. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our welcome over here, our lemons over here, and our beautiful bow over there. This just looks beautiful. I love how this sign turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.